If your iPhone ever feels too small to read, too quiet, or just a bit fiddly, that is not you. That is a setting you can change in about a minute. I'll show you 8 settings that make your iPhone easier to see, hear, and use. And almost all of them live in one menu most people never open.
You don't have to do all 8 today. Pick 2 or 3. You can always come back for the rest.
Here's the menu. Open Settings, then tap Accessibility. That's where the good stuff hides. Let me show you.
Part 1. First, let's make everything easier to see.
Tap Display in Text Size, then larger text. Drag the slider until it's comfortable. And if you want, switch on the larger sizes for text that's really easy on the eyes. On that same screen, turn on bold text. It thickens every letter, so words stop looking thin and faint.
Turn on Increase Contrast. It makes the letters stand out crisply from the background. A small change you'll notice right away. And reduce transparency. It removes the frosted, see-through look behind menus, so your text sits on a solid background instead of a busy blur.
Now here's the part most people miss. The settings that have nothing to do with your eyes and everything to do with comfort.
Part 2. A calmer screen.
Back in Accessibility, tap Motion and turn on Reduce Motion. If icons zooming around ever feel dizzying or distracting, this calms all of it down. Gentle, steady, easy to follow.
Part 3. Easier to hear. Tap Subtitles and Captioning and turn on Closed Captions. Now words appear on the screen for videos, and you can make them bigger and bolder, too. Wonderful when the sound is low or the speaker mumbles.
Part 4. Let your phone do the work. Tap Spoken Content, then Speak Selection. Now when you highlight some text, a little Speak button appears. Tap it, and your iPhone reads it aloud. Rest your eyes and just listen.
Last one, and it's a favorite. In General, then Keyboard, make sure Enable Dictation is on. Then, whenever the keyboard is up, tap the little microphone and just speak. Your iPhone types it for you. No more hunting for one letter at a time. That's all 8. Here they are on one screen. Set up 2 or 3 this week.
And it's the same iPhone wherever you are. The States, Canada, the UK, or Australia. Same settings, same steps.
Don't try all 8 today. Pick 2 and set them up now while it's fresh. Then send this to one person who'd love an easier iPhone.
And subscribe. We do one simple setting like this every week. Take care and enjoy your phone.